What's up, guys? Happy Independence Day. I hope you're having a wonderful day out there today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'm back, guys. I want to show you a system in which you can earn $247 commissions over and over and over and over again. All right, I want you to go to the link in the description when you're ready to get started, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Meanwhile, check out this video. I'll be back. Take a look. Let's go.
Hello, it's Frank and Laura with our little rescue dog, Riley. We live in Orlando, Florida, and we work full-time from home with no boss and no one telling us what to do. We live a real entrepreneurial lifestyle, and we want to offer that lifestyle to you. Hundreds and hundreds of people have taken us up on that offer, and many are living that same home-based lifestyle. Now, we're a little different than most marketers who are working from their kitchen tables. We actually have a background in marketing. We ran our own marketing company for years and helped struggling custom home dealers create multiple yearly sales with homes that started at $1 million. We did extremely well with that marketing company, and in 2001, we decided to help people make money from home. Now we're releasing a new company that will help you deposit $247 unlimited times per day. You won't have any monthly charges, which we knew was a big concern for many marketers. Yet you can still be paid $247 on every member you enroll. You will have a full suite of marketing tools to help you get the word out to the masses, and I mean quickly. So your timing is perfect right now. Now, timing can be the key to you hitting a home run or having no success at all. And we feel that it's time for you to hit a home run right now with our program. Welcome to My Automatic Pay. We'll just call it M.A.P for short. M.A.P is a one-time payment program that allows you to get paid on every person you enroll. This program is designed to put money in your pockets immediately. And what our members love most about M.A.P is that there are no monthly charges to keep your system operating. Laura and I cover those expenses for you. I'm talking about the hosting of your website, the costs for your autoresponder, the video hosting, the payment processors, the designing of your capture pages and sales pages, and there are a lot more expenses you don't have to worry about when you join our program. We help you get thousands of eyeballs looking at your capture pages, and that's exactly what you need to create unlimited payments any time of the day or night. Most people even get paid while they're sleeping. Warren Buffett said it best: if you don't find a way to get paid while you're sleeping, you will work until you die. M.A.P is the perfect program for you because you can get paid over and over again by simply using our built-in marketing tools. For most people, this is a dream come true, a full-blown marketing portal with no monthly charges. We created a program that we would like to be a part of, so we created M.A.P for us and for you. Your members area allows you to track everything happening in your business. You'll know what every member is doing and what every prospect is doing. Now keep in mind, it only takes one member for you to break even, and then every person after that is pure profit for you. They pay you the entire $247. M.A.P only collects the admin fee so you can see how this can benefit you quickly. The company never sees your money because you are paid directly from your members. The company gets none of your pay. It's a beautiful thing, and the members love this. The M.A.P products are digital downloads, and we offer a few residual income products as well, and you'll find out about those when you get into the members area. The M.A.P digital marketing tool has helped hundreds of people escape the rat race and live life on their own terms. And that possibility is definitely here for you within M.A.P. So this is M.A.P, a simple program to understand that allows you to earn $247 for every single person you enroll to infinity. That's right, there are no limits. And those $247 deposits go directly to you. not the company. You have incredible marketing tools to help you spread the word about this amazing program. You get capture pages, sales pages, follow-up emails that are built into your autoresponder, and everything you need to be successful. We look forward to helping you like we've helped hundreds of others escape the rat race and work full-time from home. It really is a beautiful thing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the members area.
All right, guys, so if you're ready to get started and partnering with me and working with me one-on-one, you have my full support. You will have access to me so you can get your questions answered after you get started. I'm going to walk you through the whole setup process, which is very simple, but I'm here to help you with the onboarding. Not to mention, I'm going to pay for your first advertising, okay? So I'm going to help fast start your business, okay? That's very rare out here that people are going to pay and put their money into you to help you advertise your business, okay? So I'm going to do that first round. So you definitely want to go to my link in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com, so I can show you how it's done and help you get this thing started, guys. Affiliate marketing, instant commissions, member to member. There's no middleman here, as they explained on the video. You're going to get paid directly, okay, from the people that sign up with you. There's no hold on your commissions. You decide how you want to get paid. All right, guys, so I would love to partner with you. So again, go to the link in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Let's get this money. Let's get this dough. All right, like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, see you on the inside. Till next time, be safe out there. Have a blessed day.